Hello my dear students, come to know our most important problem in our final examination, that is ledger account. It consists of 5 marks in our final examination, part B of accounting paper. Let us know the ledger accounts, how we are going to prepare. Before that, we have to assume ledger account is the which stage of accounting cycle. Let us remember the accounting cycle once again. First stage of accounting cycle is finalizing and to know the each and every financial transaction of the business organization which are stored in business records. So after evaluating group of financial transaction about the business organization, we have to convert each and every financial transaction into journal entry. So the first stage is to find each and every financial transaction which is relating to business organization stored in a particular record of the business. So based on those recorded transaction will be converting into the second stage of journal entries. So after entering each and every transaction into journal entry, each and every entry consists of 2 accounts. Every entry in journal entry process consists of 1 entry, and 1 entry is again consists of 2 accounts. Based on 2 accounts, we have to prepare third stage of accounting cycle, that is ledger accounts, that we have to know after explanation about the problem, right? Once again I am repeating, finding each and every financial transaction about the business organization. Based on that financial transaction, we have to convert transaction into journal entry. So in the journal entry process, we have to enter the transaction into individual entry. Each and individual entry will be consist of 2 accounts. Based on 2 accounts, we are going to prepare ledger accounts. How we can identify the 2 accounts in a one transaction of one journal entry, that we have to do in our ledger accounts. Come to read the problem. From the following data, prepare Kishore account. Kishore account, A/C is nothing but account. From the following data, prepare Kishore account 2019 on January 1st. Goods purchased from Kishore 5,000, cash paid to Kishore 2,000, goods returned to Kishore 1,000, paid to Kishore by check 3,000, bought goods from Kishore 1,000, purchased furniture from Kishore 5,000. So all transactions are relating to the one name of the person. The name of the person is Kishore. The examiner is also asking to prepare a name of the person, that is Kishore ledger account. So we have to underline all names. Here we have Kishore, 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 and here also, here also, here also. So up to 1 to last transaction we have a name. The name of the person is Kishore. So based on that transaction, we have to prepare ledger accounts. Before that, we have to give a indication to entry of each and every transaction. Based on that entry, we have to convert the Kishore account into our ledger accounts. Now I am going to give a journal entry to first transaction. I am writing here, when we have to prepare ledger accounts, it must be depends on preparation of journal entry of each and every transaction. Is it clear, ma? When we are going to prepare ledger accounts, before that we have to give and we have to write each and every individual journal entry. Based on that entry, we have to convert a name of the Kishore account into ledger account of Kishore. And come to the first one, goods purchased from Kishore. So we have to assume again goods of accounts. This entry again depends on rules of accounts. Is it clear, ma? When we are going to give a journal entry to each and every transaction, again we have to remember what are the rules regarding to enter each and every transaction. That is nothing but 3 rules of accounts: personal account, real account and nominal account. Based on these 3 rules, we have to give a entry to each and every individual transaction of Kishore. And the first one is goods purchased from Kishore. So here we have a name of the person. So name of the person goes to personal account. Under the personal account from Kishore. From Kishore is nothing but we are purchasing from Kishore. So Kishore is giver. In debit and credit, giver is there in credit side. So we have to credit the Kishore and goods purchase. Purchase is nothing but expenses. Expenses goes to in nominal account. Under the nominal account, debit side we have to enter expenses. So we have to give a mark this to debit one. So two entries are completed. Once again I am repeating. Goods purchased from Kishore. So from Kishore, Kishore is nothing but a name of the person. A name of the person will be relating to the role of personal account. Under the personal account, Kishore, from Kishore is nothing but Kishore is giving. So according to the rule of personal account, giver is always there in credit side. So that's the reason I am giving credit symbol to this name of the person Kishore. And come to the next one, purchase. So purchase is nothing but it is expenses. All expenses are there in nominal account. Under the nominal account, we have to convert the expenses into debit side. So that's the reason I am giving this indication to debit side. And come to the next one, cash paid to Kishore. So to Kishore is nothing but he is the receiver. So receiver is there in debit side of personal account. This is our personal assumption when we are going to enter the transaction. So it is our personal indication to enter the transaction. And cash paid means goes out. Goes out is there in credit side of real account. So this one is debit one and this one is credit one. And come to the next one, goods returned to Kishore. To Kishore is nothing but again he is the receiver. Receiver is there in debit side of personal account. Goods return means purchase return. Purchase returns there in credit side. So and next one, paid to Kishore. Again he is the receiver. Receiver is there in debit side of personal account. Paid to, we are paying check means check is goes out is there in credit side of real account. Next one, bought goods from Kishore. Bought goods from Kishore. From Kishore is nothing but he is the giver. Giver is there in credit side of personal account. And bought means purchase. Is it clear now? Purchase is nothing but expenses. Expenses are there in debit side of nominal account. And the same transaction is similar. And now we have to prepare pro forma. How we have to enter the transaction into ledger account pro forma. Debit and credit is important. Here we have to give a name of the ledger account. So we are preparing Kishore account. Kishore account, and the first column goes to date, and next one particulars. Here we don't want to enter LF, and this column goes to journal folio number. JF, here total amount symbol, and this column is also date, particulars, journal folio number, and total account. This is the pro forma about how to preparation of ledger account, and come to know how the entries will be converting into journal entries.